Hello everyone. This is the part 2 of our CLEO scripting tutorial, and this time I will show an actual script and explain a bit about the opcodes. I guess we will start with the opcodes. Let me paste something here. Okay. So instead of using opcode, these are opcodes and these are keywords. No. They all come like with the opcodes 006 and so on. Just continuous. And with the explanation. Not everything is useful for that. I mean, like, you can't use everything. Like, example, you can't use this one without the opcode. But these are the only opcodes that can be used without the opcode, but the keyword. Like, you can just put wait if else jump. JF means jump if false, or it's same as else jump. Then it's just jump. Return. Yes, go to thread. Start mission cleanup. Increment. These are the keywords that can be used without putting the opcode in front of it. This is same as the wait. 0001. What's that called? That's not comma, it's something double dot. Wait 0 milliseconds, and you don't have to even put this ms in there. You can do this. Wait. Wait, let's say 100 milliseconds. Now it's 100 milliseconds. You don't have to put ms. You can put it if you want, if it's easier. And you can, example, this what I did in here. This would now crash, even though this is not already script, but this comments like these are gonna crash the script because these are not real thing in here. So if you wanna comment something, you do it like this. Now this is comment. The script won't, the game won't read this. It will just skip it. This is only for the developer. Like, you can put, let's say, what I say. Example like this. You can do like this, then you start new. Like, you can just make comments in there. They are useful. and okay, let's start making the first script. Let me tell one couple things more. If you go here, tools, IDE tools, Coords manager, opcode. Here's all the opcodes. You can find them here and search if you don't remember them. And then this Coords manager, when your game is running and you want to get the coordination of some place, your character, how is it said? I don't know. The position your player is, when you press here, you will get the coordinates, and you can use them in the script if you need. To example, make a teleport in this position, or spawn a car in this position, anything like that has anything to do with positions. And every script when you do CLEO, they start with this, and this has to be in every. It will already give you like this. CLEO, then you define the format, it's CS, like that. And that's the CLEO directive. Every mod you make, you start with CLEO.cs, and it has to be like this, else it won't work. By the way, I forgot to say, we save this. You have to save this script, save as in your CLEO directory, of course. Name it. And now we are making slow motion, or like slow mode script. So let's put it like slow mode, and it can be txt, it doesn't matter, because you will compile it in the end and it will make a CS of it. But you save it like this, txt, clear folder, save. Now it's done. You can confirm it from there. Check the check the file path. Then we make thread, and it will be what it will be. Let's say label 1. No, label 1. Yeah, because we can't do space. It has to be like this. Label 1. Okay. You make label 1. Then let's make the name thread 0A. This is the opcode. Then this is the explanation. And then I don't know what these are called. They are like quotes, but I don't know. Hope you know what is this. I can explain it in with typing when I receive. But yeah, you put like this. You put the thread. What we do, let's say, let's put slow. Okay, that's done. Then we do second label. Label 2. Then we want to wait. You have to always wait before you have to wait before executing the script, because it might crash. And most definitely it will crash. But you can either now do it like this: 0001, which is the opcode for wait, or you can, and of course the milliseconds, how many milliseconds, like 10. But you can now start doing like this. So I don't know which way it's easier for you, but I would start making it like this, so it's easier to remember. You can just put like this. You can also put the ms in there to show which milliseconds. You don't have to if you just remember. Even text it, say milliseconds or just ms, doesn't matter, just wait. But it's when the script starts to do wait 0, that prevents it from crashing. Okay, wait 0. After wait we do if, it's a statement, if example key is pressed, let's see, explanation key pressed, if key pressed and know the keys we can use, we will check it from here. Remember, virtual key codes here. Okay, and the key we will choose now is, what would be good for this? Let's say delete. Delete is good, okay? And delete is 46. Okay. Now the key is 46. We can comment it so we know. Yes. And if it's not pressed, what we do then? We have to check constantly, like loop. We have to make loop to check constantly if the key is pressed. So we have to do like SAMP if false, or you can learn it this way, JF, else jump. If it's not true, jump somewhere, but where? The label. You can do like this. Oh, not like this. Ah, I forgot. I can't. Let me copy it from somewhere because I can't. Let's take this one. I just need that mark. I can't do it with keyboard because I think I have wrong settings. So this, you know what is this? Same as in emails. And if the key is not pressed, what should we do? And what should we do? We should jump back to check again if the key is pressed until it is pressed. So what is the label? It's label 2. Okay. Wait 0 if delete is pressed, else jump. If it's not, jump back to label 2. Check again, loop, 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 loop. It's a loop. Okay. Then if it's pressed, we have to do the thing we wanted to. What should happen after pressing the key? What should happen? Let's see. We will set the game speed as we want slow motion. Set game speed. Let's put it as 3. And after that, just do a little wait. Keep everything in order, like 50 milliseconds. Yeah, you can do it either like this or, as I say, like this. Wait 50. You don't have to even guess. No, there is no space. 50 milliseconds. We wait. Then that label is ready. We will make a third label. Label 3. And after the label that contains a script, we have to always make a wait. So wait 0 to avoid getting crashed. Wait 0, then if something happens, and if we can just copy this, if it's pressed again, if we press it again after we have run it, if we press it again, what should happen? Well, and to check the key is actually pressed, look, this one. JF label 3, jump back to label 3 if it's not pressed. Jump label 3. And if we if the key is pressed again, what should happen? Okay, we set back the same speed of the game, the original speed, and the same opcode. You can type it out, but you can copy if it's the same. So 1.0. Let's take that space. 1.0. That's the normal game speed. Okay. Then let's wait a bit longer time, 1 second, before we jump back to check if we press the first key. So wait 1000. That's 1 second, 1000 milliseconds. After waiting, then you can use jump command, not jump else. That's not needed. There is no if statement now after the other jump else. So we can just do jump, and we jump back to the, oh, I need to copy again because I can put that. What label we jump back? We jump back to the label 2. Not here. You don't need to go check again this. Only this one. It jumps back here now. It will do wait 0. If it will check if you pressed again after this. If you pressed it again, it will again set the game speed to 0.3. After that, you are in a slow motion. If you want, then it starts looping this one. You are in slow motion, it's looping now this one. And after you press it again, then it will come here and it will execute this one, this opcode. Set game speed 1.0. Then it's the normal speed again. Now it's done. Very simple, huh? So now what we do, you have a script ready, you have to compile it. You can either go here or in some areas, but I prefer to just compile to check the errors and stuff. Maximum large missions. It's done. Now we can go check it. Second. Let me open it. Okay. And after that, it comes in here in the folder. This is the compiled one. It's now compiled. The language it uses is C. This is the txt you made before. It's in the text. It doesn't read this one. This is just like text file. It does read this one. GTA will read this one. So it's done. And this was the part 2 of scripting tutorials. I will make more. And you can suggest me anything in the comments. What should I do next? Like make another tutorials, another subjects. And what would you like to see in CLEO? We will do another script next time. I will try to explain more about the functions. And I'm bad in commenting, but that's something important to learn straight the way, to comment all the scripts. Comment what you're doing, what's happening, why this is happening. You should always comment. It will help the next developer, or it will also help you. It will make things easier. And the script is ready, so you can, and you have now compiled it. You make sure this .cs file is in your CLEO folder. You can just start game, single player, go in the game, press delete. Your game should now slow down, and after you press again, it goes back to normal. If you have problems with setting that up, or you have some other problems like errors or something, you can comment on the YouTube video and I will try to help. That's it. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Like the video, remember to subscribe and comment down below. What did you like? What would you like to see next in the next video? Thanks.